We'll be driving down the state, yeah.
Hello guys, this is Deepankar Bharti and you are watching Bot Builder.
Trying to find a new.
For this project, I am using this acrylic sheet. Firstly, take a black vinyl sheet and cut it into the shape of the acrylic sheet.
Drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blown round to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna drive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. Live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping too long. Yeah, I'm feeling a little crazy. Sat at home being lazy. Wanna travel till I'm 80, flying with you. Wanna take on the world and do something. Would you by my side like it's nothing? Wanna buy you things that you wanted. Wanna find you, drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blow round to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna dive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. And live a life till it's over. But until we do, it's sleeping too long.
It's a white LED aluminum strip, in which I have done some modifications by desoldering these white LEDs to replace it with icy blue LEDs.
Sleeping too long. It's sleeping too long.
When we got sticks for real, we looking out for the opposition. We don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no Vladimir. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I do ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie up your legs. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees and I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young vet. Wiz, he was a part of the gang. No, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right up, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling, I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right, I push the.
It's a mini 5-volt laser module. I am gluing it at the tail of this Batman's logo.
I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.
Now, solder all the connections and complete the circuit. If you are facing any issue, then don't worry, I have also provided a link for circuit diagram. Check out in the description.
Running my wave, I've been stuck in my zone. I'm gonna blast them all, sliding on faith. I've been finding my ways, grinding for days. I've been shining the hate. All of y'all wanted for praise, stuck in a phase, let it and turn it ablaze. Yeah, homie, you don't wanna race. Nah, better to stick to your place. Yeah, want it all, I gotta taste. You push on the pedal, now I gotta skate. Yeah, all I ever known, put me on this throne, pinnacle. Push my buttons and that motherfucker go. What you know, what you own. Push it and I zoom, sonic booms full of room. Run it till the tomb with my goons, smell the fumes. Y'all know what it do with the crew when we coming through. Y'all better move, make it fast. Ain't no second chance coming for your ass. Turn to ash, burning rubber now. Better push the gas like.
Our acrylic 3D wall sign light is now ready to use. It's time to install it.
I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.